do we name an angle? Consider this angle which is formed by ray BA and ray BC. Assume it's an acute angle with a measure of 60 degrees. Sometimes the measure of the angles are not given and variables or small case letters are used instead. Like this. So the variable b would equal 60 degrees. Sometimes even Greek symbols like theta are used. In this case, theta would be equal to 60 degrees. The letter b and theta are generally just used for convenience. But how do we name the angles? What angle here is 60 degrees? Let me zoom out and redraw this angle. This angle here can be called angle ABC. This sign, which looks like an acute angle, is used to represent an angle. We use the order from top to bottom, A to B to C. So we can say that the measure of angle ABC is 60 degrees. Sometimes this angle is also referred to as just angle B. The letter we use here is the vertex of the angle, and the point B is common to both the rays. This one-letter notation to name the angle is convenient but is not preferred. Let's see why. Look at this figure. Here, writing just angle B will not work since this vertex does not have just one angle. If we say angle B, we will not know if we are talking about angle ABD or angle DBC, or maybe even angle ABC. So it's always better to write the name of the angle using the three-letter notation.